Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to go in and record the narration and timing for your slideshow. So you want to go to your slideshow tab and you're going to go to record slideshow and you're going to tell it you want to start from the beginning of the show, and you're going to leave all the default settings on, and that's going to record your timings and your narration and any pointers or anything that you're doing during the show. And then you're going to hit start recording. Okay, now when you start recording, you're going to see the slideshow pop up on your screen, and in the upper left hand corner you're going to see a counter, and as you're narrating it's recording, and then when you click on the slide it's going to advance to the next slide. It's going to save that recording and that timing for that particular slide, and it's going to let you go through the whole presentation. When you're all done with the presentation and you exit, it will automatically have all your slides recorded with their narration and their timing. Okay, so let's say I've gone through the whole show at this point, and I've clicked through the whole thing and it's created the narrated PowerPoints. So I'm going to take one of my files that I've already set this up on, and if you go to the slide sorter screen, the slide sorter screen will let you look at all your slides, which is this view down here. Normally you're in the normal view, but in the slide sorter view you'll be able to see that on each slide there's a little speaker, and there's a timing underneath each slide letting you know how long you were on each slide and how long the narration took. Okay, so now that you have it set up so that it has the recordings, it has the timing set up, now you want to go in and export it as a video file. So you're going to go to the File command at the top. Now if you're using an older version, you are going to go to Save As. But in this version from 13 on up, 2013 on up, they have an export option. So when you click on export, you're going to see an option to create a video. Okay? If you have an older version and you go to Save As, you'll see a button for creating a video. So I'm going to click on Create Video. I'm going to leave all the settings as they are. Okay, we want to use the recorded narrations and timings and use it as the default setting for the presentation, and we're going to hit Create Video. Okay, it gives you a chance to name it. It's letting you know it's going to save it as an MP4 file. I'm going to throw it in my Documents folder and then hit Save. Okay, now I already did this, so I'm going to say yes, replace the one that's already there. And on the bottom of your screen, it's going to have, it's going to mark out how long it's taking for the video and how far it is creating the export. So once it's done, it all depends on how large the file is. It could take several minutes, up to maybe a half an hour or more, depending on the length of the file. Okay, so give it time to finish, and it will automatically, when it's done, it will let you know that it's finished, and you'll be able to go in and find that file that you created. Okay. At this point, it's done. It doesn't have the option at the bottom anymore. And if I go into my files and check the Documents folder, if I check, I will see the file that I threw in there for the narrated PowerPoint, and there it is right there. Now this is the file that you would want to take and upload to YouTube or Ensemble or somewhere where you're going to have that file held and hosted from. Okay, so it's always a good idea to host it from an outside source. You don't want to just upload these files directly into Blackboard, because usually the files are too large. Okay, so that's how you can go in and narrate the PowerPoints and how to export it as an MP4 file.